talking about favorite hobbies.
What is your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is listening to music
Why do you like listening to music?
because it makes me feel relaxed.
Do you listen to music every day?
Yes, I listen to music every day.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music.
Do you listen to music at night?
Yes, I listen before I sleep.
Do you sing songs too?
Yes, I like singing sometimes.
Are you good at singing?
No, but I enjoy it.
Do your friends like music too?
Yes, they like music.
Do you share songs with friends?
Yes, I share songs often.
Do you use headphones?
Yes, I use headphones.
Do you feel happy when you listen to music?
Yes, I feel very happy.
Outdoor hobbies.
Do you like outdoor hobbies?
Yes, I like outdoor activities.
What outdoor hobbies do you like?
I like walking in the park.
Do you walk every day?
No, I walk on weekends.
Do you like playing sports?
Yes, I like playing football.
How often do you play football?
I play once a week.
Do you play with friends?
Yes, I play with my friends.
Do you enjoy fresh air?
Yes, I enjoy it very much.
Do you like riding a bicycle?
Yes, I ride sometimes.
Is it fun to go outside?
Yes, it is very fun.
Do you feel healthy after exercise?
Yes, I feel strong and healthy.
Indoor hobbies.
Do you like indoor hobbies?
Yes, I like indoor hobbies.
What do you do at home?
I watch movies and read books.
Do you watch movies often?
Yes, I watch movies every week.
What kind of movies do you like?
I like action movies.
Do you watch movies alone?
Yes, I watch alone.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, I like reading simple books.
What kind of books do you read?
I read English learning books.
Do you use your phone a lot?
Yes, I use my phone daily.
Do you play games?
Yes, I play games sometimes.
Do indoor hobbies help you relax?
Yes, they help me relax.
Learning new hobbies.
Do you want to learn new hobbies?
Yes, I want to learn new things.
What hobby do you want to learn?
I want to learn cooking.
Why do you want to learn cooking?
Because I want to cook at home.
Do you watch cooking videos?
Yes, I watch them online.
Do you try new recipes?
Yes, I try simple recipes.
Do you enjoy learning?
Yes, I enjoy learning.
Do you want to learn drawing?
Yes, I want to try drawing.
Do you practice every day?
No, but I practice often.
Is learning a hobby fun?
Yes, it is very fun.
Talking about daily hobby routine.
What do you do after work?
I spend time on my hobbies.
What do you usually do?
I listen to music and relax.
Do you watch TV at night?
Yes, I watch TV.
Do you enjoy your free time?
Yes, I enjoy it a lot.
Do hobbies make you happy?
Yes, hobbies make me happy.
Do you share hobbies with friends?
Yes, sometimes I do.
Do you have enough free time?
Not always, but I try.
What time will you sleep?
I will sleep at 10 o'clock.
Will you do your hobby tomorrow?
Yes, I will do it tomorrow.
Do you think hobbies are important?
Yes, hobbies are very important.
Why are hobbies important?
Because they make life better.